WLFI jumps on CZ pardon. Morpho and SPX6900 climb while Altcoin Season Index stalls at 24. Altcoin. CZ. Trump. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 4 hours ago. Altcoin Season Index sits near 24, which indicates thin breadth and a market still led by Bitcoin trends. Even with green prints in select names, allocation remains selective and event-driven. Today's market centers on a policy headline and 2 tokens that benefited from active venues rather than a broad risk reset. Investors are weighing whether a friendlier policy tone can change the near-term path for altcoins or if this is another brief pop inside a cautious October. The answer depends on participation, not headlines alone. WLFI, policy shock pulls inflows. WLFI is currently trading near 14 cents, up by 11% in 24 hours, with trading volume up about 210%. The move tracks reports that President Trump issued a pardon to Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. Markets read the decision as a positive for the industry, reducing perceived policy risk and improving the odds of friendlier enforcement. WLFI's next phase depends on whether current enthusiasm transitions into steady participation. A healthier pattern would show funding rates returning toward neutral while open interest and spot volume expand together, suggesting that buyers are engaging across positions rather than chasing momentum. Trading distribution across multiple venues would also hint at broader confidence, whereas a quick return to one-sided flow on a single exchange often precedes price retracement once the headline impulse fades. Morpho. Lending activity supports steady gain. Morpho is trading around $2, up 8% on the day. Consistent usage is reported across lending routes and vault strategies, with borrow and supply improving week over week. Morpho price. Source. CoinMarketCap. Depth looked workable on major pairs, and spreads tightened compared with last week, which helped spot prints hold above reclaimed intraday levels. For a lending token in a risk-light market, the watch items are utilization, deposits, and whether the price can stay above nearby support while volumes remain balanced. A sustained base keeps Morpho in rotation lists even if the index remains subdued. SPX6900. Meme liquidity returns during relief. SPX6900 is trading near $1, up by 7% in 24 hours. Meme baskets tend to catch flow when traders seek liquid, high-turnover pairs during relief windows. Data shows two-way participation with intraday bands narrowing into the close, a pattern that favors range extension attempts if volume persists. Traders are watching the $1.05 to $1.10 zone for confirmation. A push through that band on rising volume would validate continuation. A slip back under $1 would imply the move was flow-driven and short-lived. What market are we looking at? The Altcoin Season Index at 24 still indicates comparatively narrow participation. That puts the burden on follow-through rather than first prints. Altcoin Season Index. Source. CoinMarketCap. A single policy event can brighten sentiment, but sustained improvement usually requires additional steps such as clearer compliance guidance, stable funding conditions, and deeper books across multiple venues. Recent session lows and volume-weighted averages serve as more reliable context for positioning than isolated price spikes. Depth and spread consistency across venues often reveal whether participation is genuine or driven by transient flow. WLFI's tone will hinge on how funding levels and trading distribution evolve in the coming days, while Morpho stability rests on sustained utilization and deposit strength paired with price retention above recent support. SPX6900, by contrast, depends on whether its current upper trading band converts into a base supported by firm turnover. If these structural signs improve while the altcoin index lifts from the low 20s, the market could transition from isolated momentum trades to a broader, more coordinated advance. Should they remain weak, rotation is likely to stay narrow and episodic, with brief rallies tied to immediate catalysts rather than enduring conviction. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. Major crypto analyst warns of inevitable XRP supply shock in 2025. Is XRP about to pump? Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush metrics, Fed proposes letting stablecoin issuers access banking system directly without banks. Bitcoin price prediction. Analyst warns the quantum dilemma could lead to serious Bitcoin bear markets. Is BTC going down? Live XRP price developments. October 22nd. Japanese firm Gumi joins Ripple and SBI in Evernorth's XRP treasury deal. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 22, 2025. Crypto market erases gains after rebound as U.S.-China trade tensions escalate. Bitcoin drops to $108,000. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple by the end of 2025. 2 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Crypto regulation news. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. 3 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 17 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 58 minutes ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.